everybody, this is Mr. Pillow here. And we are right into Gmod. I got Gmod a while ago, I just never did a video on it because it would lag when I would film. So I've been messing around with a bunch of my Gmod characters. Mr. Fat Zombie, Boomer, Sub Boomer, and Bowser Jr. He was my idol when I was like 13. Basically, yeah, so let's get right into it. Yep, I built myself a tank. I modded a tank. We got the, we got a, what's it called? Plague Doctor here. And a Trail of Blood? Guys, what is this? Guys, what is this? Oh man. Let's get our Pulse Rifle out. Let's get my Neon Cat gun out. We gotta make sure what's going on. What the heck is that, guys? Guys! The man! Oh, this is really creepy, guys. Alright, so this is a shield. And that was terrible. I don't know how to de-shield it. Alright. Let's take out an ion gun. Oh my god. What is it? What the heck, shield? I have no ammo for it. Let's just make sure. What? Guys, what is this? gman! What did you do? gman! Oh my god. Run, guys, this is the end. No. I accidentally blew myself up. By the way, my skin is Mr. Missy. Yeah. I know what we can do. We can spawn in good guys to defeat Mr. G-Man and help the guy back to life. Alright. Let's just... These are my dupes, by the way. Made some pretty good dupes. NPCs. Human/resistance. Mr. Meeseeks, my ally. Stuck in the wall now. Oh man, I hurt myself. Mr. Meeseeks. Mr. Meeseeks. And one more Mr. Meeseeks. Alright, Mr. Meeseeks, let's go! Following? Alright, they're following behind closely. Back, everyone, get him dead. Come on. He-Man is literally invincible. He is literally invincible. Oh my god. Guys. We got to figure out something. Wait a minute. I don't remember downloading these. What are those? I don't know. We need to figure out how we can kill him. Wait a minute, NPCs. Maybe there's a good NPC for these. Maybe there isn't. Oh jeez. So next spot. Wait a minute. Oh my god, Scary Terry! Killed all the musics! Oh. Why is Scary Terry, Pod, and World Bandicoot downloaded? What are these? We are going to go destroy him once and for... Where is he? Ah! He's literally hiding in the corner for me. Wait a minute. We can use the physics gun. Oh no, we can use the physics gun. I'm dead again. Oh, wait a minute. We can get right in this tank. Yeah, try to kill me now. Boom. Boom. Oh no.